Hello students, today we have a test. The test is on the uses of present tense. Now start the test. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb in bracket. Question number 1. Sound dash within bracket travel slower than light. Question number 2. It is the first time I dash within bracket take a public exam. Question number 3. You dash within bracket do anything tomorrow evening? Question mark. It dash within bracket rain since 7 a.m. She dash within bracket belong to a well-to-do family. Question number 6. My father generally within bracket go to office at 10 a.m. every day. But today he dash within bracket visit his friends in the village. Question number 7. If he dash within bracket come, I shall go. Question number 8. Look, two boys dash within bracket play. Question number 9. The match dash within bracket start at 5 o'clock. Question number 10. I get my hair dash within bracket cut. Question number 11. Honey dash within bracket be sweet. Question number 12. I dash within bracket already comma write the letter. But I dash within bracket not post it yet. Question number 13. My brother dash within bracket go to school at 9:30 a.m. Question number 14. He dash within bracket two words are there not write to me for a week. Question number 15. She dash within bracket sing a song now. Question number 16. Why do you look so tired? Question mark. I look very tired because I dash in the field within bracket work. These are the 16 questions for you. Do the answer yourself. Now we analyze the answers of all the 16 questions. First question, sound dash within bracket travel slower than light. If we analyze the first sentence, we know that the sentence is on scientific truth. ଯଦି ଏ ବାକ୍ୟଟାକୁ ଆମେ ବିଶ୍ଳେଷଣ କରିବା ତେବେ ଏ ବାକ୍ୟଟି ବୈଜ୍ଞାନିକ ସତ୍ୟ ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ. Since it is scientific truth, answer of the sentence is in simple present. ଯେହେତୁ ବ୍ରାକେଟରେ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲ ଅଛି, ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଅଛି, ତେଣୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ ଦୁଇଟି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଆସିବ. Since travel is the main verb, you have two structures before you. Subject plus verb 1, subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. Since sound is third person singular, then the verb takes s or es. So the answer is sound travels slower than light. Question number 2. It is the first time, it is the second time, it is the third time, it is the best book, he is the best friend. ଯଦି ଏହିପରି କ୍ଲଜେସ୍ ଯଦି ବାକ୍ୟ ଆରମ୍ଭରେ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଏହା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ହେବ। ଯଦି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ହେବ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ହେବ ହ୍ୟାଜ୍ କିମ୍ବା ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ହେବ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଥ୍ରୀ ହେବ। ସୋ ଆନ୍ସର କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ I have taken a public exam. Clear? Third question. You do anything tomorrow evening? Question mark. This sentence tells about the personal planning of a subject. ଏହା ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ଯୋଜନା ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରୁଅଛି। ତେଣୁ ଏହା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଟେନ୍ସ ହେବ। ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର କ'ଣ? ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଏମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଫୋର୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଅଦର ୱାର୍ଡସ୍। କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ବାକ୍ୟ ଶେଷରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ମାର୍କ ଅଛି। ତେଣୁ ବାକ୍ୟ ଆରମ୍ଭରେ ଏମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଫୋର୍ ହେବ। ତେଣୁ ଆନ୍ସର କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଡୁଇଂ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଟୁମୋରୋ ଇଭିନିଂ? Question number 4 कौन लिखा है? It does rain since 7 a.m. An action started in the past and continues at the time of speaking. ଅତୀତରେ କୌଣସି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ କହିବା ସମୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟି ଚାଲୁଛି। ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍, ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍। ସୋ ସୂତ୍ର ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ସୂତ୍ର କ'ଣ? Subject has किंबा have plus been plus verb ing. Answer is it has been raining since 7 a.m. Question number 5. She dash within bracket belong to a well-to-do family. এটা হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট ট্রুথ এবং বিলংটা মধ্যে ଗୋଟେ স্ট্যাটিক ভার্ব, তেଣୁ সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স ହିଁ ହେବ। She, the subject, is in third person singular. So the answer is she belongs to a well-to-do family. Right? Question number 6. My father generally dares within bracket go to office at 10 a.m. every day. But today he dares within bracket visit his friends in the village. The first part of the sentence is a habit, so it is simple present tense. Subject ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଯେଉଁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ, ତେଣୁ ଏହା simple present tense ହେବ। ତେଣୁ my father generally goes to office at 10 a.m. every day. ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପାର୍ଟ today temporary change. Temporary change, सामयिक परिवर्तन। So present continuous, subject am is a plus verb ing or verb 4. That means he is visiting his friends in the village. So the complete sentence is my father generally goes to office at 10 a.m. every day, but today he is visiting his friends. Question number 7. If he dash, I shall go. If clause. If clause रे आमे दीटा सूत्र आपको कहैछि। गोटे होची if plus subject plus verb 1, comma subject plus verb 1 जाकी जनरल ट्रुथ। if plus subject plus verb 1, comma subject plus shall, will, can, may plus verb 1 possibility। तेणु I shall go एपटे अछि पॉजिबिलिटी अर्थ बुझे सेपटे कौन हम इ प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब 1 हम। तेणु आंसर इज इफ ही कम्स, हीटा हूँ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर। तेणु इफ ही कम्स आई शैल गो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. लुक टू बॉयज डैश विथिन ब्रैकेट प्ले। लुक दैट मीन्स something is going at the time of speaking. कहला बेले कौन सी कार्यटी आपण आखि आगे चलुथ present continuous. Subject am is a plus verb 4. So the answer is look, two boys are playing. Question number 9. The match dash within bracket start at 5 o'clock. Official arrangement. Official arrangement is always in simple present. The match, the subject is in third person singular. So the match starts at 5 o'clock. Question number 10. I get my head dash. आमे स्ट्रक्चर टा मन पके दोछु. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज किंबा हैव प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब 3. अर्थात कोनोसी व्यक्ति द्वारा बा अन्य द्वारा कोनोसी कार्य कराइबा. द सब्जेक्ट आस्क्स समवन टू डू द वर्क. ए वाक्यटा को आमे लिखि परिबा सब्जेक्ट गेट और गेट्स plus object plus verb 3. So the answer is I get my hair cut. Cut to third form मध्य cut cut cut. तेणु जेमिति अछि सेमिति रहिबो. मोटे व्यस्त बा किछ आवश्यकता नाही. Honey dash sweet within bracket B अछि. यह होछि जनरल ट्रुथ. जनरल ट्रुथ सिंपल प्रेजेंट हबो. बी फैमिली रे के अछंती एम इज आर वाज वेर पास्ट टेंस. तेणु से लगे ना. आउ लिखिए एम इज आर. हनी प्रत्यपुरुष एक वचन. तेणु इज व्यवहृत हम. द आंसर इज हनी इज स्वीट. आई डैश विदिन ब्रैकेट ऑलरेडी अच्छी राइट अच्छी. द लेटर but I dash within bracket not अछि post अछि it yet. Already yet present perfect tense रे व्यवहार होता है. Already is used between have or has plus verb 3. Yet is used in negative sentence or in interrogative sentence. So the answer is I have already written the letter but I have not posted it yet. Question number 13. My brother dash within bracket go to school at 9:30 a.m. Habit or regular action. Simple present tense habo. So my brother, the subject is in third person singular. So my brother goes to school at 9:30 a.m. Question number 14. He dash within bracket not write to me for a week. An action has not taken place for a week. गोटे अर्थ. द्वितीय अर्थ रे हम देखुछन वाक्य रे फॉर किंबा सिंस लागिले साधारणतः में प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस को लिखि थाउ. तेणु द आंसर इज he has not written to me for a week. Question number 15. She dash is song now. Within bracket कौन अच्छी sing अच्छी. Now, right now, at the moment. यदि यही प्रकार टाइम एडवर्ब थाए यह प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को बुझाई थाए. So the structure is subject am is a plus verb 4. Answer is she is singing a song. Number 16. Why do you look so tired? Question mark. I look very tired because I dash within bracket work in the field. Why do you look so tired? It is a result. I look very tired, a result followed by an action. अर्थात कौनसी कार्य घटला फले जो फलाफल आपण देखिबा पाई थांती. फलाफल देखिले कौन फलाफल आसिला. द रिजल्ट इज I look very tired. The action is in present perfect continuous. So the answer is because I have been working in the field. पूरा सेंटेंस था Why do you look so tired? Question mark. I look very tired because I have been working in the field. ତେଣୁ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସର କରେକ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଅଫ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଆମେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କଲା ବେଳକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମେ ତାର ୟୁଜ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବା ସେ ୟୁଜ୍ଟି କେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଛି ସେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ଆନ୍ସରଟି ଲେଖିବା ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଭେରି ଇଜି ଟୁ ରିମେମ୍ବର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଜି ଟୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଓକେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଲକ୍